Hip-hop star Meg Thee Stallion is being sued by a former cameraman who accuses her of harassment and a hostile work environment.
I never put my hands on anybody. I never raised my voice too loud. Like, this was one of them times where it was like, it shouldn't have got this crazy.
From Rock Nation that says, yo, we heard you're gonna make a statement about what happened, and it'd be in your best interest if you don't make that statement.
Gossip swirls about Megan Thee Stallion possibly ready to spill the tea on Jay-Z's shady biz to dodge legal drama. But what's up with the lawsuit buzzing around her? Apparently, her ex-cameraman, Emilio Garcia, dropped some bombshell accusations. He's pointing fingers at a toxic work vibe and harassment from the singer. One wild claim: he says he was forced to watch intimate scenes between Megan and another woman while stuck in a moving car.
He was in this car, he had been working for Megan Thee Stallion for a few years as a cameraman, and that he witnessed Megan Thee Stallion allegedly taking part in with another woman.
Garcia's legal team dropped a bombshell in a press release, claiming he's owed a hefty six-figure sum in unpaid wages from Megan Thee Stallion. They're not stopping there. They're also accusing her of fat-shaming and creating intolerable working conditions that left Garcia physically sick and emotionally wrecked. The lawsuit, filed in LA County Superior Court and snagged by The Cut, doesn't hold back, naming Megan, her company's Hot Girl Touring LLC, and Megan Thee Stallion Entertainment Inc., plus Rock Nation, as defendants. Garcia started as her personal cameraman in 2018, going full-time a year later. In a jaw-dropping June 2022 incident in Ibiza, Garcia claims he was stuck in an SUV with Megan and 3 other women after a night out. Allegedly, he had a front-row seat to intimate actions between Megan and one of the women, feeling humiliated, embarrassed, and trapped as they were in a moving car in an unfamiliar place. I felt incredibly uncomfortable. I was almost frozen, completely shocked by the audacity to engage in such behavior right beside me, Garcia revealed in an interview with NBC News. Plot twist. The day after Ibiza, Megan allegedly warns Garcia to keep quiet about what went down. But wait, there's more. She reportedly throws insults his way, calling him a fat bee and telling him to stop eating. Talk about workplace drama. To hear someone who advocates for loving your body say these things, Garcia expressed to NBC, I felt degraded. After returning from Ibiza, Garcia claims his payment structure shifted drastically, moving from a monthly rate to payment per task. Bookings from Stallion also allegedly took a nosedive. Alongside harassment accusations, the lawsuit accuses Stallion and her companies of wage and employment violations. Garcia says he lacked basic insurance while working for her. Garcia asserts he remained employed until June 2023, when Rock Nation informed him the night before a gig that his services were no longer needed. His law firm suggests this was payback for his complaints about illegal behavior and pay issues. This alleged mistreatment resulted in lost earnings, reduced benefits, injuries, illness, and emotional distress for Garcia. Seeking back pay, he also wants interest, overdue overtime wages, and penalties under California labor laws, plus punitive damages to cover legal fees. But when the lawsuit went public, Rock Nation's legal team, led by Alex Sparr, vowed to fight back against the claims. This is an employment claim primarily focused on monetary compensation, devoid of any additional defamation claim. The inclusion of sensational allegations appears to be an attempt to tarnish her reputation. However, we intend to address these matters in court. Facing these allegations, some are likening Meg to Diddy, labeling her as his female equivalent. The parallels between the accusations against both are uncanny, sparking this comparison. Amidst the recent lawsuit, Jay-Z's protective stance toward Meg seems strategic, likely to shield her from implicating him. This is underscored by the context of the 2022 Tory Lanez case. Initially, after an altercation following a party, Megan sustained a gunshot wound but denied it, later admitting Tory Lanez as the shooter. Jay-Z's move could be to avoid further fallout or entanglements for both of them.
Yes, Tory shot me. You shot me. And you got your publicists and your people going to these blogs lying.
After the incident, Tory Lane's fate remained uncertain for a while, with speculation rife about what really happened that night. Meghan claimed Tory was hostile towards her, but Tory denied it, alleging Rock Nation warned him against discussing it, hinting at repercussions. This added twist fueled ongoing speculation and debate about that fateful evening.
Rock Nation that says, yo, we heard you're gonna make a statement about what happened, and it'd be in your best interest if you don't shoot. 2 days later, the TMZ report come out. All of a sudden, the affiliates of her circle start pointing like little subliminal fingers.
The situation left many uncertain whom to trust. Meghan's swift recovery and Tory's claim of Rock Nation's involvement raised suspicions. Social media amplified the drama, with Tory denying shooting Meghan and suggesting a confrontation over their relationship. His subsequent arrest and gag order fueled speculation, with some accusing Meghan of fabrication. The messy trial saw Tory's defence portraying Meghan negatively, while Kelsey's testimony added complexity. Public scrutiny strained Meghan's relationships, and Tory's PR tactics failed to sway opinion. He was found guilty, prompting his father to accuse Jay-Z and Rock Nation of tampering with the legal process.
Yes! You who say you rose from the gutter, but you have trained and tortured the souls of young men, and you're still doing it.
Nez's father escalated, alleging trial corruption and accusing witness Shan Kelly of collusion. In another video, he claimed to have damning evidence, threatening consequences for Rock Nation. While accusations against Meghan remain unproven, if true, Jay-Z could face trouble. As authorities probe his circle, he might become a target. Until then, that's a wrap for this video.